Unplug the zip ties. Grab the handles on both ends and lift the box out. Take off the protective cover. Take out the toolbox, charger, and other accessories. Pull the handlebar out of the packaging. Open the toolbox and grab the torque wrench and H6 socket. Press the lock button on the wrench, attach the socket, and secure it. Loosen the 4 handlebar bolts counterclockwise. Remove the handlebar clamp top cover. Place the handlebar in the clamp, align the center mark, and set the angle. Put the top cover back on and loosely secure the bolts. Set the torque wrench to 25 Newton meters and lock it. Tighten each bolt clockwise. A series of clicks means it's properly torqued. Take out the brake lever. Grab the smaller wrench and use the H5 socket. Install the brake lever onto the handlebar and adjust it. Set torque to 5 Newton meters and tighten the brake lever bolts. Pull out the brake harness, align the connectors, and plug in the brake and button wires. Tidy up the wires and secure them with zip ties. Grab the H6 socket and foot pegs and set torque to 25 Newton meters. Tighten the foot peg bolts. Remove all straps. Keep the bike steady so it doesn't tip. Lift the bike off the wooden frame. Take the key, insert it into the seat lock above the rear shock, and turn clockwise. Slide the seat back and remove it. Press down the battery cover safety latch, then pull the latch outward to open the cover. Remove the battery rubber cover and connect the wires. Make sure to pull and press the blue clip to lock the power cable. Close the battery cover and press the latch to secure the battery. Slide the seat forward. Make sure the bottom latch clicks in. Then press down the rear to lock. Key start.